Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we learn how we can able to download the earthquake data from the USGS Earth Explorer. So we just need to type in the Google Chrome USGS earthquake catalog. So after that we'll see here that is a search earthquake catalog option is there. As we'll click here, you will see the search earthquake catalog will open here. And here are the some options that is you'll see the magnitude, what magnitude earthquake we want. Or here also we can first we'll select the map. Okay, drag rectangle on a map. So just click here, drag rectangle on a map. So what area we want to download? So that area we need to select here. So we need to draw the rectangle. To draw the rectangle, what we need to do? We need to see the area and just first click here, left click. Okay, after that just drag it. And suppose for this area we want, I will double click here. Okay, so this rectangle I have drawn, we can change the rectangle size as we want. After that, this is the area suppose I'm interested because it's the Andaman Nicobar subduction zone and most of the earthquake takes place here. So Andaman Sumatra subduction zone. So for this area I want to see how many earthquake has takes place in the past, so that epicenter will check. So just use this region. So now we'll see the lat long is added here, and after that suppose I want magnitude greater than 5. Okay, what are the earthquake takes place greater than 5 that I'm interested. And here are the from which year I want, means suppose I want from the 1900 and from this year to present date. After that, here is the option that is advanced option. In the advanced option, if we have particular latitude and longitude of the area, we can add that latitude and longitude here. So after adding a latitude longitude, you will see the changes here in this area. So if you have particular lat long, if you will add, it will be shown here. After that, one option is that is a output option. Okay, output option. So what format we want? We want map and list. Suppose I want in CSV or I want in KML, what that I need to select. And suppose I will take a CSV and I can add into I can also add into ArcGIS environment also. That also we'll see. And now order by means I want this time from the oldest to oldest first. Okay, so just click on the search option. As well click on the search option, you will see this data set is downloading here. Okay, so this data set is downloading here. So we can able to see what are the data set we have downloaded. So just need to click here. So now you can able to see this is the time from 19 we have added the, so this is the latitude, this is the longitude and depth, at what depth it is takes place, and this is the magnitude, and this data set we don't want, so we can delete it. After that, all the data set is given here. Now I'm interested to, this is the place showing here for what places it takes place. So now what I'm interested to take this latitude and longitude and this depth and magnitude data in ArcGIS environment. So how we can able to take that? So just need to go to ArcGIS environment. In the ArcGIS, so this data set is in download option. Okay, this is in download. We'll go to search folder. So this is in download, that is a query 1. So this data set will add into ArcGIS environment. So just click on the file, add option, add XY data. File, add data, add XY data. So from here we need to browse. We'll go to download options. So just go to download. If it is not connected here, we can connect the download folder from here also. So after that, I will search this query1.csv. Just add this data. So automatically it will take longitude and latitude. In the Z, I will add the magnitude or I can add depth. So just I have selected a magnitude. Just click on the edit option. Here we need to select the geographical coordinate system, world, then WGS 1984. Click on OK, and just click on OK, and just click on OK. So now what are the latitude, what are the things we have selected this in this file? What are the latitude, longitude and magnitude is added here. If I'll check it, You can able to see all things is added here. Now we can export this. This is a CSV file format. We can export this in CSV file into our shape file format. So just right click, data, export data, and we can export this the whatever the interested folder we are here. So just in the video lecture, I will export this earth quick data. Okay, so just save. So now we converted this into shapefile, and now I can add the base map here. So just select the oceans. So now I can able to see what are the portion we have selected. For that, we can able to get the all the recorded past earthquake magnitude we are getting. So this way we can able to prepare the earthquake magnitude map very easily, earthquake magnitude location map. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. So thank you for your patience.